Okay, so we have four metals in front of us. We have aluminum here, Al, copper, Co, zinc, Zn, and iron, Fe. Those are the chemical symbols for each item. So what I'm going to try to do here is the malleability test. And malleability means the ability to roll or flex the metal. So let's try that. As you can see, the aluminum bends. It's a little rigid, a little difficult to bend, but we can return it back and flatten it out if need be, which we just did. So that is aluminum. Now, copper, or Co, you can see, I'm going to try to see the malleability, test the malleability of this item. So I'm bending it right now, and the copper is not really bending. If you remember a term back in the last unit called rigidity, copper has a very strong rigidity. Also, because it's rigid, if I'm bending it like this a little bit, it has a lot of stored elastic energy, and when you let go, energy is released. The next item here is zinc. Chemical signal for zinc is Zn. Chemical symbol, excuse me. So I'm going to bend the zinc a little bit. The zinc is much more rigid than the aluminum was, and a lot less rigid than the copper. The zinc bends much easier, and I can bend the zinc back. So zinc has malleability so far, and so does aluminum, but copper does not. Now the last item here is iron. The chemical symbol for iron is Fe. Let's see if that works. Iron as well bends. It has malleability. Iron, I would say, just by testing its malleability, has a little bit more of a rigidity than the zinc has, and it does not have as much. So there we are. We have aluminum has malleability, copper does not, zinc has malleability, and iron has malleability.